I got a huge squishy haul. So first thing I got is this spider. It's kind of like the jellyfish needle. You can pull it and of course squish it. It's supposed to be for one can, but yeah, it's really satisfying. Then I got one of these clear eggs everyone's likes, and I can trade it for a good squishy at my school because no one at my school really knows about that stuff. But yeah, well, actually, some people are really smart. Don't mess with my school. And then I got 2 of these. They're not clear. So, like, this one's clear and stuff. And this one's not clear. And yeah, they're so satisfying. Like, listen to this. And they're fun until they pop. Because this girl literally grabbed my last one and went. And guys, the last thing I got is this pineapple. So satisfying. Anyway, guys, that is my kind of huge squishy haul. I went hunting, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, bye.